Hello everyone, Chef Eric here and welcome back to the channel. And today we're making something pretty interesting. We'll be making ice cream from scratch, homemade ice cream, and it doesn't take more than 2 ingredients. So let's get started. So in the bowl of your stand mixer or a large bowl, you could do this by hand or with a mixer. You want to start by adding in some fresh cream or some whipping cream. Here I'm using Pristine. You could use Puree or any other brand you find in the supermarket. And to that, you just want to add in some vanilla essence. We're gonna add it onto the mixer with the whisk attachment. I just want to beat it up for about 2 to 4 minutes, just until you have some beautiful soft peaks. We don't want them very stiff, so the ice cream can be kind of a little bit softer than usual. It'll just be kind of droopy and sloppy. It'll look a bit funny, but it's just the right way. So once you have it at that consistency, we just want to slowly start to stream in some sweetened condensed milk. This is just gonna, because we can't add sugar. If we added sugar to this, it would crystallize and to just be like really hard when you froze it. So use a sugar substitute like sweetened condensed milk, so it's nice and creamy and smooth. You just need 1 can of that, and you can get that anywhere, even at your nearest supermarket or kiosk. So once you have a beautiful ice cream base, it's done. At this point, you could just freeze it and enjoy it. But since I'm a little bit extra, we're gonna add a few other toppings and flavors. So we're gonna do Oreo, we're gonna do chocolate, and we're gonna do a mango ripple ice cream. So we're gonna start with the Oreo bit. So just take up some, just open some Oreos, and so gently start to chop them up. You could blend them if that's what you prefer, but I just like them to be sort of uneven pieces, just to them to vary, so that you have a nice bit of texture and flavor. Just chop them up and set them aside. So in a container, I wanna add in a little bit of your ice cream base. I divided mine into 3 parts. This makes about like 1.4 liters of ice cream, so it's quite a bit. So I'm sure we'll be able to make enough flavors. So once you've added some of it into a separate freezer safe container, you just want to add in your Oreos and mix them together really well, and set them aside into the freezer and let it sit there overnight. Next, we're gonna make the mango ripple. So just wanna dollop your ice cream base into the container. The mango ripple was the littlest of ice cream I made. I didn't think you'd have many customers, but it ended up being the most delicious out of all of them. So just want to add in dollops of the mango and then just mix it a little bit, add more dollops, mix it a little bit. We're trying to create that sort of ripple effect in the ice cream. So but if you'd like yours like full mango, just dump in the mixture and then mix it together. Close it up and put it in the freezer overnight. Last but not least, we're gonna make our chocolate ice cream. So more ice cream base, and to this we're gonna add in some delicious dark chocolate ganache. This is my favorite ganache, my most infamous chocolate ganache. You can get the recipe in a ton of my videos. It's just basically equal parts chocolate and cream. You melt it together and mix it together, and then you add it to the ice cream. Cover it up and let it sit in the freezer also for overnight. And that will be it. Pull your ice creams out and let them sit out for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then you can serve them up beautifully into the bowls. I really hope you give this recipe a try, and next week I'll be showing you guys how to make milkshakes with these. They make the best milkshakes you'll ever have, trust me. I've tried them and they're amazing. So to serve them up, you could have these for a party, maybe a kid's birthday party or dessert. Let's say you're having a get together or something, and people are gonna absolutely love this. I hope you guys give this recipe a try, and if you do, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see it. Goodbye, and I'll see you guys next week for a brand new video.